everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prableen, and for today's video I am going to be telling you all my skincare routine that I use for myself, since you know that I am breaking out here. हमारे actually face के लिए the main thing is कि हमें acne नहीं चाहिए होता है. So this is what I want to get rid of अभी. This video is going to be about that. I am going to be using all products of only Neutrogena because I have observed कि उनके products बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. I have used a few products of Neutrogena before, but मैंने पूरा skincare routine सिर्फ Neutrogena के साथ में कभी किया नहीं था. So I thought this could be a chance where I could do that. So yeah, today's video is going to be all about that. If you want to see my skincare routine that helps me keep my skin clean and nice and perfect as usual, then please continue watching. So as we all know, Neutrogena's brand is known for its skincare. The skincare products of Neutrogena are really nice. जो उनका recent range आया था of the Hydro Boost range, it was so good. Like literally every single blogger I knew and I followed raved about it. They loved it. It was so hydrating, it was so nourishing, your skin felt amazing. I had to try it, duh. First thing that I do when I wake up in the morning is use this. This is the Neutrogena oil free acne face wash. Usually dermatologists जो हमारे स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं, they usually tell us कि हमें वो products यूज़ करने चाहिए जो acne रोके. It's facial cleanser for acne prone skin. So if your skin is really acne prone, may that be oily or dry, that's okay, but this product is mainly used for acne prone skin, and I love this product. So the best thing about this is that it has a pump, so you don't have to like remove it, or you know, it doesn't have a bottle or anything like that. The pumps are the best. So it says that it is used for acne prone skin. It retails for 549 rupees. So for acne prone skin, this is what you would want. It's a really good product. This is how it it's not very liquidy, but it's not like very it looks like honey. It's orange in color. Don't mind my nail, it's broken. So yeah, my skin feels really clean and all cleansed and all nourished and everything. It doesn't feel hydrated at all because all the oil, everything that was there on my face, is all clean right now. The next product, always, this is the format that you should use. It should always be cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and then the sunscreen. So that is actually a necessity. Whenever you want your skin to be in the best condition, you should always do that. So we used the cleanser, which is the face wash. Now we're going to use the toner, which is the deep clean toner from Neutrogena. Anyone who has acne, also blackheads on your nose or in your problematic areas, you should use this a little bit. So you usually use this on a cotton pad and you apply it. This is how I like to apply it on my face. Now my skin feels a little damp, and after that you want to use your moisturizer. Now this is the best moisturizer available in the market. The dermatologists highly recommend this. All the beauty bloggers, all the skincare related vlogs or vlogs that people upload on YouTube or on Instagram have highly raved about it. It's the Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel. For makeup also, before you apply makeup, this is something that works really well with makeups. It's proven to continuously boost skin's water retention ability and effectively lock in abundant hydration deep within your skin throughout the day. It's 50 grams of product. This was how many grams? This is 175 ml of water, so product, so that's like a lot of product. This is 200 ml of product, that's also a lot of product. And this is 50 grams of product. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. You actually need a very less amount of it. You feel like there's water on your face that's staying there. It's so hydrating and so soothing for the skin. Always after the moisturizer, you want to wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes before you apply the sunscreen. Otherwise, it all gets very clumsy and it gets like all not nice. So the sunscreen that I'm using is this. So this is the Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 Plus. Ultra light clean feel, leaves skin soft and smooth, waterproof. So Nykaa has given this product as the best sunscreen award. So this product is really good. When you come out of shower, you do the whole procedure, and after that you use this before leaving the house. You should apply this before you should apply this prior 15 to 30 minutes before you leave the house. A very less amount of sunscreen is actually used because as the moisturizer, this is also quite runny, so you want to take this. You have so many options to choose what product you want, and you get so many reviews, you get so many options, you get so many videos to look up to. You can check many more such videos on the app, on my store. So you can go to the Prableen store on SimSims and check out if you like any other product, and if you like it, you can go ahead and purchase it from the same. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do share and subscribe to my channel. Like the video if you did, and you can follow me on my Instagram. I'm most active there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.